Alright, so you want to make some bomb ass ice cream. First, you want to get you some peanut butter. Some honey peanut butter. That's what sets it off. It can be regular, I guess, but it won't be as good as creamy honey roasted peanuts without the peanuts. No peanuts. I mean, you could if you want to, but creamy. And vanilla ice cream. These two combinations is the bomb right there. It's like Jesus himself came down from the heavens and jizzed in your mouth, and it tastes so fucking delicious. First, you want to get your peanut butter. Oh yeah, you're going to need a spoon. You could use your hands if you want to, but it'd be kind of messy. I don't suggest that. But unfortunately, I'm all out of creamy peanut butter. So I'm going to try regular creamy peanut butter. But I want you to use creamy honey peanut butter. That's freaking awesome. Trust me, that's freaking awesome. You ever had a ButterFinger? And don't you just hate when it gets stuck in your teeth? I know I do. This tastes just like a ButterFinger, except even a little bit better. Tastes even better. It's freaking delicious. Does not get stuck in your teeth. It is, oh my god, I can't explain it. So good. So anyways, what you want to do is grab your spoon, get yourself a couple scoops of creamy peanut butter. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even try to do that and it did that. Okay, I got one scoop. Get off of my spoon! And get you another spoon. Looks like someone crapped all over in there. It's going to taste good though. I guess you can get a little bit more. You know what you want to do? Put it in the microwave. Put it in there a few seconds until it melts. Now that it's liquidy, as you should be able to kind of see. Yeah, it's liquidy. Now get your ice cream. Here we go. Nope, no, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Anyways, get your ice cream, get you a few scoops. God damn, I have to make me a run to the store. Be right back. Look at that fresh, big thing of ice cream. Makes you just want to stick your hand in. Oh my god. I'm not going to though. I really want to, but it's like quicksand, quick ice cream. Too bad we don't have pits of quick ice cream. That would be awesome. I'll get you a big chunk of it, put it in there, and it helps if you put it back in the microwave for a little bit longer. So it'll melt a little bit. It's easier to stir and mix up. So we don't need it in there as long as we did last time, so let's just put it in there for an hour. Turns out we don't need it there for that long, so let's see how it's looking. Alright, it's melting a little bit. Should be easier to stir now. So stir it up, get all that peanut butter goodness in there. It's gonna be good, oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice and soft. Giggity giggity. Stir it up in there. I need two hands. And this is what it looks like when it's all stirred up. Oh yeah. Little bits and pieces of peanut butter floating around there. Remember, creamy honey peanut butter. It is so good. As you can tell, I've already started eating on it. So if you like ButterFingers, you will love this. Especially if you don't like it getting stuck in your teeth and you have to pick your teeth, and if you have a cavity, it's even harder to get to, so your cavity grows, and then yeah. Now I'm not trying to pressure you into doing it. Do it. But I'm just telling you, it's really do it. Good and delicious. It's got about 12 grams of protein, 14 grams of sugar, I guess that's not too much, I don't know. Carbs, 11, 22 grams fat. I think that's a good kind of fat, I'm not sure. Did you do it yet? But other than that, it tastes great. Well, there's my good, delicious tutorial on how to make peanut butter ice cream. So, peace. See you later, masturbator.